Hey you guys, SDK the homesteader here with another video. All right you guys, I'm getting my coops sewn up. All right, so I already got a variety of pickling sewed up in the trellis area underneath the trellis in my other blue buckets. So this is the inside. Oops, we flying away. This is the inside of the trellis area where I have my, what they call them, laundry buckets. And I'm going to be sowing another variety of cucumbers and also melons. So this is one variety over here, which is the melon tiger. First time growing that. Over here is the West Indian bird jerkin. First time growing that one. And over here is my cucumber Persian pickling, and then I had another one fly over into the other bucket, which has the jerkins and the picklings over here. So in this bucket we're going to be sowing the cucumber Yamato extra long, and I believe this is a Japanese or just an Asian cucumber as well. So this is the first time growing this one, and I'm looking forward to growing this and seeing it and tasting it. And again, the Persian pickling. Over here, the dragon egg. First time growing the dragon egg. And over here, the jelly melon kiwano. And this is my first time growing this as well. So I'm looking forward to all these different varieties of cucumbers and melons. And again, this is the first time growing this variety of different cucumbers. So you guys, make sure y'all comment below. Let me know what types of cucumbers you guys are growing. But I am definitely shooting for new ones. All right, you guys. So again, all my buckets have been amended with some compost, worm castings, blood meal, bone meal, azomite. So they are ready to go. And y'all know Essie ain't gonna be out here in no 90-degree weather sowing no seeds. So I believe the weather has broke because I see germination within the raised bed area and other buckets. So that is why I am out here sowing seeds today, because we have rain in the forecast for later today, again, and tomorrow. All right, you guys. So I hope you guys are growing your groceries. All right, family, this is SDK the homesteader. I will see you guys on the next video, and don't forget to comment below and let me know what variety of cucumbers and melons you guys are growing. I will see you guys on the next video. Continue to grow, be safe, peace.